Hi everyone. Sorry I can't be there today. Um, I'm on a plane right now. Well, not right now, but during the presentation, so this is the best I can do for you. So, right now I'm going to talk to you about the neurotransmitters that are associated with ASPD, which I hope by this point in the presentation we've figured out is um, antisocial personality disorder. So, the most frequently talked about neurotransmitter for this disorder is serotonin, and low levels of serotonin are linked with increased violent and impulsive behavior. And this is one of the most consistently reported associations that's cited as a risk factor for mental illness in general and for ASPD in particular. So the literature has associated both the serotonin 5-HT and 5-HIAA systems with impulsive aggression. So 5-HT may also be implicated in altered reward and punishment, which is frequently seen in ASPD, but this has not been cited as much. So a 2015 study by Cheknida et al. Found that increased methylation of the MAOA promoter gene resulted in decreased MAO production. Now, MAO is an enzyme that metabolizes serotonin, and decreased MAO production led to increased 5-HT levels in the peripheral nervous system. Now, this sounds weird because we've been talking about decreased or lower levels of serotonin, but it's been noted that increased peripheral 5-HT levels are correlated with decreased levels in the central nervous system. So this is consistent with what the literature has been showing. So such hypermethylation of MAOA is associated with early life adversity and is thought to be related to the development of psychopathology. So these results suggest that the genes involved in regulating the 5-HT system and thereby aggression can be epigenetically altered, which is something that wasn't always known. And in a 2014 study, acute serotonin depletion led to more aggressive, non-cooperative, and selfish behaviors in a depletable resource sharing experiment. So this is interesting because it suggests that in a harsh environment where pro-social behaviors are not necessarily a good thing, serotonin deficiency may actually be adaptive in the long term. So these studies together give us some insight as to how the psychopathology involved in ASPD may be developed and maintained.